In the bright optimism of the 1950s, General Electric unveiled a dream that promised to liberate the suburban housewife from the tedious rituals of cooking, the Foodomatic. Conceived in 1955 by the same industrial designers who gave us the iconic Sputnik-style toasters, the Fudimatic was a sleek, circular hub that perched atop a countertop like a polished aluminum moon. Its form was a perfect 24-inch diameter disc, encircled by a series of nested hoppers for flour, sugar, meat, and vegetables, each capped with a chrome-finished lid that resembled a miniature rotary dial. The device's central core housed a magnetic drive motor, the only moving part visible behind a smoked glass panel, that could spin the cooking carousel at variable speeds. Functionally, the Fudimatic was billed as a one-touch dinner machine. The user would select a recipe from a set of translucent cards, insert the corresponding ingredients into the appropriate hopper, and press a glossy red button. The internal sequencer, a series of cam-driven valves and temperature-controlled chambers, would then activate a timed series of steam, bake, and sauté cycles, delivering a full entree in under 15 minutes. In theory, the appliance could prepare up to 12 distinct dishes per day, automatically adjusting heat and humidity based on the recipe card's coded perforations. The design even included a built-in ceramic plate for serving, turning the Fudimatic into a tabletop showcase as well as a cooking device. Aesthetically, the Fudimatic epitomized mid-century modern optimism. Its clean, geometric silhouette was rendered in brushed stainless steel, accentuated by pastel teal and coral panels that caught the era's love of pastel advertising. Promotional renderings showed the machine in a gleaming kitchen, bathed in soft, directional lighting that highlighted its reflective surfaces, an invocation of the atomic age's belief that technology would make life serene, efficient, and beautiful. Yet, despite its seductive form and the persuasive promise of leisure, the Fudimatic never made it to production. Mechanical complexity, cost, and a cultural lag in trust for autonomous cooking kept it forever on the drawing board, leaving it a poignant emblem of the 1950s, home of the future, that was too ahead of its time.